Magandang araw mga fellow gun enthusiasts! Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year sa ating community. It's been a wonderful 2022 and now nasa 2023 na tayo. I would like to start off this new year with a short video over here, just clarifying a few things that you might be curious about pagdating sa mga semi-auto rifles, specifically sa UDMC PVAR. Okay? S5 PVAR gas-piston rifle. Marami mga curious kasi kung paano ba gumagana ang gas-piston compared sa direct gas impingement system. Pinaliwanag ko ito sa aking dating video on the UDMC PVAR Gen 2 rifle. As you know, over here, meron na tayong Gen 5, S5 5th Generation semi-auto 5.56 rifle. Now, one of the things that you're really going to like about UDMC, guys, is because UDMC has a service in which kung meron kayong lumang rifle, pwede nyo dalhin sa kanila and they can upgrade it to the latest generation standard. So, kung meron kayong mga lumang M16 or UDMC rifles, pwede nyo dalhin sa kanila yon, provided that it is licensed. Pwede nyo i-avail yung service nila na i-modernize, modernize or i-upgrade yung rifle nyo. So this is a very good thing para sa ating mga owners ng 5.56 rifles because as you know, hindi pa natin nalilift yung permanently temporary ban on semi-auto 5.56 7.62 rifles, 7.62 rifles for civilians, and maintaining ang ating mga luma or ating mga nagamit na mga 5.56 at 7.62 rifles na licensed can be quite a challenge. So UDMC solves this by providing that service. So this time around, papaliwanag lang muna natin kung paano gumana PVAR versus doon sa DGIS. Marami kasing mga curious kung paano ba siya gumana. Marami rin nagsasabi na, yung yung gas piston AR daw, mahirap siyang linisin, i-disassemble, mas complicated. But this isn't really true. And I will demonstrate kung bakit simple siya actually. In fact, kung ako ang tatanungin nyo guys, mas simple siyang linisin kaysa doon sa DGIS simply because wala kang gas tube na may kailangan kang interior ng gas tube na kailangan linisin. Kasi syempre dumudumi rin yung interior ng gas tube over time, pati rin yung gas key. You don't have those sa isang PVAR. So that is actually one good case kung bakit gusto nating ng PVAR versus sa isang DGIS. So, pasensya na guys kung may narinig pa kayong mga pagputok kasi I'm making this during New Year. And as you can see, for some people, the festivities continue. So, alam mo naman tayo mga Pilipino. So anyway, back to the video over here. Let's check this out. So first things first, check muna natin yung rifle. Safety check natin just to be sure that it is safe. Alam niyo naman guys, safety first tayo sa pagdating sa mga rifles, okay? So, first things first, tanggalin mo natin yung magazine. There you go. The magazine is empty. There's a dummy round over there. I use dummy rounds, by the way, guys, pag sa mga rifles ko. Just to make sure that there is no rounds in the chamber pag nagda-dry fire ka and to cushion the firing pin pag nagda-dry fire ka. So, maganda yon para humaba yung buhay ng firing pin mo pag nagda-dry fire ka. So, tanggalan natin siya. So the next thing that we're gonna do is to check if it's loaded. Okay. And there you go. As you can see, no rounds in the chamber. Yan. So physical check lang natin. Medyo mahirap lang gawin yan sa likod ng camera. So as you can see, walang rounds in the chamber. I'm gonna decock it now dahil disassemble natin siya. So I'm gonna push this pin out. Okay. Note na babalik tayo dito guys, i-disassemble din natin yung gas piston para makita natin. Okay? As you can see, there's the settings over there, S, 1, and 2. I will explain those things later. So, tanggalin muna natin yung bolt carrier group. Here it is. Nandiyan yung strike face. Yan yung strike face natin guys. Ayan, kitang-kita natin. This is the part that interacts with the gas piston. If you look over here, okay, sa loob, makikita natin dito yung gas piston. Ayan siya. Nakita niyo yung parang steel rod na yan? Yan, that's the gas piston. And ang purpose niyan, kasi short stroke itong PVAR, Gagalaw lang yan ng parang 1/4 of an inch para sipain lang pabalik yung bolt carrier group natin. Pero pag ginawa niya yon, malakas yung pagsipa na yon, so magsa-cycle yung operating system every time you fire it. So how it does that is that if you fire around, some of the gas goes into here. Tinatap natin yung gas na yon, yung explosive gases ng discharged gunpowder. And yung gas na yon pupunta dito at i-actuate niya yung piston. So now let's check out the piston. Okay? So here we go. There. Mapapansin nyo meron tayong button dito. We're gonna push that now. Okay. To rotate it. Pag napindot nyo na yan, mag-rotate na yung ano natin. Yung valve natin. Or this part here that regulates the gas. And then you pull it out. Okay? So, madali lang siya. Just to show it over here again. All you have to do is to, pag nakita nyo to guys, ito yung mga different settings niya. If you rotate it here, meron tayong S setting 1 and 2. Pag i-disassemble nyo siya, just push this. Again, rotate it all the way here to the top. There. Alright, so pinapakita ko lang different gas settings natin. You pull it out. And then, pwede mo nang tanggalin yung gas piston natin. There. Yan na yun, guys. That is the gas piston. So as you can see, it's a long, solid steel rod over here. And ang nangyayari niyan kasi guys, pag nag-tap ka ng gas, so you fire the round, yung gas aakyat dito, pupunta dito, sisipain niya yan, gagalaw siya pabalik, and then babalik to. Babalik yan dyan. So, ganun lang siya. Pag sa gas. Now, here is the bolt carrier. So, kita nyo kanina guys, the gas piston goes inside hanggang dyan. And then, ang gagawin yan, pag nag-fire ka ng round, nakakontak yan, pero sisipain lang yan ng konti. Yan So, sisipain lang niya to ng konti. Aatras yan, babalik. Every time you fire around, it's just gonna move it like that, very fast. And then, babalik siya. And that is how it works. So, pag gas piston yung rifle mo, meron kang strike phase dito. Wala kang gas key. Kasi yung gas key, kailangan mong gumamit ng mainit na gas from the cartridge, from the fired round, to actuate it backwards. Ito, gas piston yung gumagawa nun. And the maganda kasi niyan, throughout yung entire operation mo, wala kang maruming gas na pumupunta dito sa gas key mo. Gas piston lang. So, malamig to, guys. Hindi umiinit itong bolt carrier group natin. Ang umiinit lang is yung part na nagko-contact doon sa cartridge natin. So, kung meron kang cartridge na ganyan, okay? So, when you fire it, yung base yan umiinit ng konti, pero ang nagiging end result nga niyan is malamig yung operation mo. And nape-preserve yung bolt carrier group natin kasi hindi siya umiinit. So, mas maganda yon for maintenance and longevity of the assembly itself. There you go. Ganun gumana yung operating system natin. So, the different settings nung gas piston nung valve, nung gas valve natin dito. If you look over here, we have S, 1, and 2. So, criss-cross yan, Yung 1 natin, yan yung nasa gitna. Kita mo naman, gamit na gamit siya, guys, Yung natin, yung setting na yan. And then, ito yung pinakamataas natin, number 2. So, for adverse settings only yan. You can check online kung ano bang ginagawa ng adverse settings. Pero generally, ginagamit natin siya pag sobrang dumi na ng rifle. Hindi mo pa siya nalilinis and you want maximum gas tapped from your barrel. Alright? And then, meron din tayong suppressed setting. Sa suppressed setting, mas konti or mas maliit yung natin, yung hole natin dyan. Okay? Kasi, the reason why you want that is kasi pag naka-suppressor ka, mas you generally end up with more gas for the operation. So, yung iba kasi na-overgas yung operating system. So meron kang suppressed setting para i-prevent yung too much gas actuating yung yung gas piston natin. So overall, all of these settings, okay, yung 1, 2, and 3, or S1 and 2, all of these settings make for a much more reliable operating system, a much more adaptable operating system na kayang mag-handle ng iba't ibang klaseng loads and iba't ibang klaseng operation even if your rifle is already dirty. So, mas reliable talaga ang gas piston. Of course, hindi naman tayo magkakaproblema talaga, no? I mean, the direct gas impingement system has been used for a very, very long time and proven naman yon. Pero, the gas piston gives us much better options for reliability and compatibility with running your firearm or rifle when using suppressors and a wide array of ammunition loads and conditions, okay? So, there you go. So, I hope na marami kayo natutunan sa video na ito and we'll now reassemble the rifle. So, to do that, first thing, ibalik muna natin yung bolt carrier group. So, to do that, okay, let's just put this back here. There you go. Close it. So, okay na tayo dyan. And then, balik na natin yung gas piston. So, madali lang siya, no? Slide mo lang siya dyan and it drops down. And you put this back here. So, the button facing up. And then, ayan mo lang naman siya. Once na kuha mo na yung setting niya ng maayos, there you go. It's still new, so a little bit tight. Yan yung S setting natin, but we're gonna go for the 1 setting. Ayan, yan na yung 1 setting. Alright, so we put back our magazine. Test for function. Okay? So, nag-lock back tayo dahil mayroon tayong magazine. So, just bolt release. And 100% na yung operation natin. Test again. Bolt release. Okay na tayo. So there you go, guys. UDMC S5 PVAR 5th Generation Semi-Auto Rifle. So again, this is a good alternative to the usual DGIS operating system. And again, if meron kang mga lumang license na semi-auto rifles and you want to get it upgraded to the most modern standard, you can take your rifle to UDMC for their service of upgrading existing licensed 5.56 AR-style rifles. So there you go. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please consider sharing, and subscribing. We have a lot of content planned for this 2023. And yun nga, sana guys, maikalat natin ang ating mga videos para mas dumami ang mga nanonood nito. So maraming salamat and isang maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Until next time.